Logarithm equations. There are 5 kinds of logarithm equations. But before we talk about the equations, let's see again this formula from 1 to 7, yeah, and there's a relation between exponential and logarithm. Okay, and here the condition for logarithm, yeah, the condition is about b must be positive, a here as a base must be positive 2, but cannot equal with 1, yeah. Okay, let's talk about the equation, logarithm equations. Okay, equation 1. This is about addition of logarithm. Okay, but in the equation 2, about the subtraction. Equation 3, this is about Euler's number, yeah, Euler's number. Same like in the 4th equation, yeah, Euler's 2. But in the 5th equation, yeah, this is only about exponential. Okay, example. Logarithm x plus 3 plus logarithm x equals 1. Okay, let's see this formula. Formula 2. Yeah, we can join this by multiplication. Yeah, so with this formula 2, yeah, we join x plus 3 and x by multiplication. Okay, we multiplied x plus 3 with x, and we get x squared plus 3x equals 1. And we use the relation here. Okay, because of this, there is no base. It means that the base must be 10. So 10, okay, to the power of 1. So we get 10. Okay, let's see the relation, yeah. We use this. Okay, next, we move 10 to the left side, yeah, and we get the quadratic form, and then we factorize, we get the solution x minus 5 and x equals 2. And then we substitute minus 5 and 2 to our equation, our initial equation. Here, it means that we substitute 2x plus 3 and x. Okay, this is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Yeah, it is not available to this condition. Yeah, the condition say that b must be positive, but because of this is minus 5 plus 3 must be minus 2. So it's not satisfy this condition. So we don't need to try to the other. We can skip minus 5 as a solution. Next, x equals 2. We substitute x minus x equals 2 to the initial equation, yeah, here. 2 plus 3. Okay, satisfy this. We check again to the other. Logarithm 2. Yeah, satisfy 2. So it means that the final solution is x equals 2. Okay. Form 2, equation 2. It's like almost same. Yeah, in equation 1 we use plus, but here we use minus. So back to this formula. For minus, it means that we must make division. Okay, here 2x plus 1 and x minus 1, we make division. Okay, next we use the relation, yeah, this relation. We use this, and here must be 10. 10 to the power of 0. Okay, we get 1. After that, we multiply x minus 1 with 1. Okay, and we get here on the right side and 2x plus 1 in the left side. Okay, we use algebra and we get x minus 2. And then we check again x minus 2 to the initial equation here. Yeah, minus 2 times 2 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Yeah, not available. Yeah, so it means that we don't need to check to the other. Yeah. Okay, so x minus 2 we can skip as a solution. So there is no solution for this equation. Okay. Equation 3. This is Euler's number. Yeah. E to the power of x minus 3 times e to the power of minus x equals 2. Okay. We assume that e to the power of x as m. Okay. And then here we substitute Sm, and this 3 over m. Why? Because this is minus. Yeah. Remember, minus is a fraction. Yeah. If we want to change this as positive, we must move this to the bottom of 3. Yeah. Yeah. Down of this number. Okay. And 3 over m. Okay, same equals to here, and we multiply all of this with m. And we get m squared minus 2m, because 2 we move to the left side, and we will multiply with m, we get minus 2m. And minus 3m because multiplied with m and m here. Yes. So that's why only 3. We get the quadratic form and we factorize, we get m equals 3 and m minus 1. Okay, in the first step, we know m is e to the power of x. So we substitute again minus 1 and 3 to m here, yeah. Okay, m minus 1, m 3, ex, e to the power of x. Okay, and then we use the relation, yeah, the relation from exponential to logarithm, and we get like this. Okay, remember, because this is minus 1, not satisfy this condition. Yeah, this condition, yeah, b must be positive, a must be positive, and cannot equal with 1. Okay, this is minus because b negative, so x is not valid. Okay, how about 3? 3, yeah, this is valid, and we can use our calculator, or we can change first this logarithm with base a as ln. So ln 3 is 1.098, and we round off as 1.10. So the final solution is 1.10. Okay, next. Here we find again Euler's number, but different with the previous. In the previous, Euler's x n minus positive 1 and minus 1. But here, 1 and 2. Yeah. if we find like this, 1 and 2, 2 and 4, there are multiplication with 2, so this is the way. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. E to the power of 2x. 2x we change as x to the power of 2. We can choose 2 here, 2 inside, and x outside. But because we want to assume this e to the power of x equals m, so we use x inside. Okay. We substitute m, yeah, and we get m squared here, 2m minus 1, move to the left side as plus 1. Okay, we get quadratic form, we factorize, we get the solution equal 1. Okay, we substitute 1 to our assume, yeah, 1, and we use the connection or the relation of logarithm and exponential. We get this logarithm 1 with base a. We change logarithm as learned, and we get x is 0. So the final solution is 0. Okay, the last. This is exponential. Yeah. The trick is we just add logarithm in the left and in the right side, like this. And then we use this formula 1. Yeah, this formula 1 said that n exponential and exponential m can replace to the in front of logarithm. Okay, and we replace this x to in front of this logarithm. Same like this, x plus 1, yeah, to the in front of logarithm 5. And then we multiply x with logarithm 5, 1 with logarithm 5. We get x log 5 plus log 5. We move x from the right side to the left side. And we get like this, x logarithm 10 minus x logarithm 5. Yeah, we take out x and logarithm 10 and logarithm 5 in the bracket. Okay, here just only logarithm 5. And we move again logarithm 10 and logarithm 5 to the right side. Yeah, we divided this logarithm 5 with logarithm 10 minus logarithm 5. Okay, we can use directly our calculator and we get here, yeah, 2.332. Or we can simplify this logarithm 10 and logarithm 5. Yeah, remember here subtraction, it means that we can divide 10 and 5. Yeah, we get 2. This is about calculator kind 1. Yeah, yeah. Or we can use the second calculator that we have talked about this in the previous channel. Yeah. Okay, logarithm 5 and logarithm 2 can rewrite as logarithm 5 with base 2. Okay, we can use the second calculator and we get 2.32. Okay, that's all. Thank you.